Double header, folks. I don't know why it's doing that.
Because we got weather coming. Come with me. Josh.
I'm videotaping this.
And shut it off.
Wait a second.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northern Bracken County in northern Kentucky, central Grant County in northern
I'm videotaping this.
northern
Wait,
County
let that take a second.
central Pendleton County in northern Kentucky until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At force, radar was tracking a severe thunderstorm with a
It's only
history
gonna
of
take a
producing
second.
tornadoes. This dangerous storm was located near
It's only
Bromley,
gonna take a
moving
minute.
east at 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Dry Ridge, Williamstown, Falmouth, Brooksville. In addition, Twin Bridges, Stewartsville, Northcutt, Williamstown Lake, Knoxville, Guilford, Jean Snyder Airport, and Greenwood are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. This includes the following interstate. Interstate 75 between mile markers 154 and 162. This is an extremely dangerous situation. If you are near the path of this dangerous storm, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a... If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take...
By the time they got done with taking all his money, that's all he had left to take for his house.
What the heck?
Shell highway overpasses. As a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area. Please report tornadoes, final clouds, strong winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-6